Well, here we are, White Christmas. It's the 4th of April on a Monday morning, and this is what I woke up to. I get up earlier so I can get to town. I was out of groceries, so look at the deck. So anyway, I got groceries, and the roads were treacherous, and I had to keep it four-wheel drive low, and people coming toward me were hi Connor. They were sliding all over the place. I had to pull off the road a couple of times, so I ain't going out anymore today. So the Jeep should still be, no, got it filled up again that quick. All right. What do you want? I just fed you. I just fed you. Not 5 minutes ago. What? No, you're not getting any more. Neither are you. You just got fed too. You did so. The two of yous. I'll feed you again at 12 o'clock. All right? I'm going to cook bacon anyway, Connor. You know, you're going to be having bacon. So, anyway. And I shoveled this off already. Look, it's all filled up again. Yeah. Just look at it. Well, yeah, it's all filled up again. I was talking to Audrey up at Cruise Automotive. I said, when's a good time to take the winter tires off? She said, not yet. She was right. When's she gone? Huh? I don't think Donnie and them are going anywhere today. No, they're both home. Well, they said 25 centimeters, which works out to about 12 inches. So, and it's not blowing, so it won't drift. And my snow blower's in the is in the tin shed. I put it away. That's all right. It's not going to stay around long anyway. Is it, Charlotte? No. You're just a little girl, aren't you? You're just a little girl. Yes, you are. You're just a little girl. I'm going to pick you up. I'm going to pick you up. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm going to pick you up. There's my thermos. Yeah. What, Connor? What? You good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you? Anyway, we'll put this up on the internet just to show people what it's like here. I imagine New England got the same thing. Right? Yeah.